I want to do 32. So find the radius of a sphere such that the ratio of the surface area in square inches to the volume in cubic inches is 4 to 1. So the first we want to write the surface area formula, which is 4 pi r squared. Ignore this is from a thing. And then you put that over. Okay, and you put that over the volume formula, which is 4 pi r cubed over 3, which I know is weird because it's a fraction, but just hang in there for a second. So then it equals 4 to 1 because that's the ratio of the surface area to the volume. So it's 4 over 1. Or you can just write 4 if you want, but I put 4 over 1. So, next, what you can do is you can cancel out the 4 pi, because it's just 4 pi divided by 4 pi, which is 1. And then now it's, now you can write r squared over 1/3 r cubed, which is the same thing as r squared over r cubed divided by 3. Equals 4. Alright, let me erase this. Okay. Now the way I wanted to do this was I wanted to write r times r, which is r squared, over 1/3 r times r times r. And now, so then r times r was canceled by this r times r, which would leave us with, since like r times r divided by r times r, and let me write the equals 4. Since r times r divided by r times r would be 1, it would leave us with 1 over 1/3 r equals 4 over 1. So now you can cross multiply and you would get 4/3 r equals 1, and you would divide the 1 by 4/3, or you would multiply it by 3/4, and you would get r equals 0.75. So, and if you don't believe me, freaking calculator, come here. So, let's see. 1 divided by 4/3 is 3/4, which is 0.75. So, yeah, that's how you do number 32. I hope this helped you. If you even need this. Another thing I wanted to do before I ended this was actually, and you don't have to watch this if you just wanted help with this. This is the way you can check your answer, which I'm sure you know, but basically you can figure out if you plug in 0.75 to r, and then you put it in the surface area formula. So 4 pi times 0.75 squared, which is, let's start by putting 0.75 squared, so times 4 times pi. So this is the surface area, which is approximately 7.1. You don't have to write that down, I just am, because why not? So then, supposedly, if the surface area, according to this ratio, is supposed to be 4 times the amount as the volume. So if we were to divide this by 4, we're supposed to get the volume. So if we divide this by 4, we would get approximately 1.8. So let's write that down. And then let's multiply this by 4 again, just so we can get the surface area back. Actually, we don't need the surface area, so you don't have to multiply by 4. Sorry about that. So now what you can do is you can find the volume. So plugging in 0.75 into the volume formula, which is 4 pi times 0.75. Oh my gosh, cubed. Alright, over 3. Okay, so now let's get 0.75 cubed, and then let's multiply that by 4 times pi divided by 3, and we got approximately 1.8. So now we know that 0.75 has to be the right answer because it allows for the surface area to be four times greater than the volume, which is the ratio we were going for. I hope that helped you. I will see you next time.